A quick maintenance wash on the Sport Glide this afternoon using Garage Therapy 1 car shampoo. I'm using that in a foamer to start with. There's my foamer. So I'm going to spray foam, let it dwell for a while to soften and encapsulate the dirt. I'm going to rinse that off with a hose, not going to use a pressure washer. And then we're going to use Garage Therapy 1 car shampoo in a bucket, in a solution. There we are. And I'll use that with a soft mitt and a brush, and then we'll rinse it down. So you can see it's not dirty, it's just really dusty. So there's no mud or anything on it, so it's a very quick maintenance wash. Okay, that's dry on there long enough now. We don't want it to dry, so we just rinse it off with a hose. Like I say, it's not dirty, a little bit of dust on it is about all. Hardly used the towel at all. Nearly all the water, other than the seat, nearly all the water's just blown off that Garage Therapy ceramic coating top stuff. Now because that's mostly blown dry, what I'm going to do now is just go over it with Garage Therapy 2 Quick Detailer as a drying aid. So I'll spray it on, wipe it and any remaining water as well, and then buff it off, and that's put another layer of protection on it, and it makes it silky smooth. So let's put it on. Buff it off, and straight away you can feel that silky smooth. Put it on. Buff it off. It's going to be a quick video. I'm not going to bore you and show you me doing this to every panel. You get the idea. Let's just do. Right, I'm going over the rest of the bike like that, and then we'll have a look at it when I've finished. So until the next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.